Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable inactive Microsoft Outlook add-ins. If you've noticed that some of your Outlook add-ins aren't working or have been disabled, this tutorial will show you exactly how to reactivate them and get those features back up and running. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and your inbox is loaded properly before moving forward. This ensures that all your settings and configurations are accessible for the next steps. Once your email has been loaded, it's time to navigate to the settings area where add-in management lives. To enable inactive Microsoft Outlook add-ins, start by navigating to your File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Click on the File tab to open up a new menu panel. Once the File menu has opened, look for the Options link located at the very bottom of your File menu and click on it. This is where all of Outlook's deeper configuration settings are housed, so it's an important area to familiarize yourself with. A Microsoft Outlook options window will appear on your screen. From here, look for the Add-ins option located on your left side menu and click on it. This section displays all the add-ins associated with your Outlook installation, both active and inactive. Under the Add-ins tab, look for the Manage drop-down menu located at the very bottom of the Add-ins tab and click on it. This drop-down lets you filter and manage different types of add-ins. From the options that appear, choose Disabled Items and then click on Go. This will bring up a specific window dedicated to add-ins that have been turned off or disabled by Outlook. A Disabled Items window will appear. This window will present you all the add-ins you have under your Outlook software but currently in disabled mode. Take a moment to review the list and identify which add-ins you'd like to reactivate. Simply highlight all the add-ins from the list that you want to enable and click on Enable. Once you've done that, the add-ins will be reactivated and should start working the next time you restart Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully enabled your inactive Microsoft Outlook add-ins and restored their functionality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.